Welcome to the second 5G digits video on industrial 5G and beyond 5G in Europe. In this episode, we move from the technology watch perspective to the regional landscape, looking at how advanced connectivity is taking shape across different European countries and industrial ecosystems. This report is organized through three complementary perspectives. The first looks at the technology trends. The second, which we focus on here, looks at regional adoption across Europe. The third validates the findings through expert interviews. Together, they show not only what is possible, but where industrial 5G is actually gaining ground. This video follows Section 3 of Deliverable D 5.1. That section summarizes structured input collected from consortium partners and turns it into a pan-European snapshot of national strategies, policy frameworks, industrial readiness, common challenges, and opportunities. The detailed country evidence is provided in Annex B. The regional landscape is not a ranking of countries. It is a way to understand how different national ecosystems are progressing. Each country combines policy, infrastructure, industrial demand, funding, skills, and sustainability priorities in a different way. The value is in seeing both the differences and the common patterns. Greece shows a strongly pilot-driven approach. The National Broadband Plan and Digital Transformation Bible support 5G, skills, public services, and digital transformation. Adoption signals appear in smart manufacturing, energy, healthcare, smart cities, tourism, islands, and ports. The key challenge is moving beyond pilots, especially where cost, licensing, skills, and rural or island infrastructure remain barriers. Germany is one of the strongest examples of industrial 5G readiness. Its national 5G and gigabit strategies are linked to Industry 4.0, digital sovereignty, and climate-neutral industrial transformation. Local spectrum in the 3.7 to 3.8 GHz range enables private campus networks, especially in manufacturing, logistics, rail, and energy. The remaining barriers are cost, SME participation, skills shortages, interoperability, and rural industrial coverage. Spain has made strong progress on infrastructure. The Digital Spain 2026 agenda and the 5G strategy support full population coverage by 2030 and accelerate standalone 5G for industrial and public service use cases. The main challenge is not only deployment, but adoption. Turning strong coverage into real B2B use, cloud and edge uptake, SME value, skills, and measurable return on investment. Ireland frames 5G as part of a wider digital infrastructure agenda. The Digital Connectivity Strategy, Harnessing Digital, Project Ireland 2040, and the National Broadband Plan connect 5G with regional balance, rural development, enterprise innovation, health, agriculture, and smart manufacturing. Readiness is medium to high, but public awareness, small cell deployment costs, planning resistance, and specialized skills remain important barriers. Lithuania reports very high 5G coverage, including strong results even in sparsely populated areas. Its next challenge is to convert coverage into high-value services, especially in transport, construction, manufacturing, autonomous systems, smart energy, and private 5G networks. Barriers include fiber and tower deployment obstacles, rural infrastructure economics, digital skills gaps, and limited advanced technology adoption among SMEs. Malta's scale creates a distinctive 5G pathway. The Malta Digital Strategy and MCA-led spectrum planning align national deployment with EU Digital Decade goals. All national operators have launched 5G services, while use cases are emerging in healthcare, logistics, smart cities, connected mobility, tourism, and cultural heritage. The main limits are market size, industrial demand, skills, SME awareness, and dense infrastructure costs. The Benelux region shows strong testbed and corridor logic. Belgium combines industry, logistics, healthcare, smart cities, and private 5G pilots. The Netherlands is highly active in field labs, ports, smart industry, cross-border teleoperation, and agritech. Luxembourg emphasizes digital sovereignty, resilience, smart cities, Industry 4.0, V2X, and 5G-enabled R&D. Across all three, readiness is promising, but cost, ROI, regulation, skills, and SME uptake remain common barriers. Looking across the regional inputs, Europe's 5G landscape is not uniform. Germany and the Netherlands lean strongly on private and campus networks. Spain is shifting from coverage to use. Lithuania emphasizes national rollout and corridors. Ireland and Greece connect 5G with regional inclusion and skills. Malta and Luxembourg show how smaller ecosystems can use compact governance and EU support to accelerate pilots. The main lesson is that readiness is not only about coverage. Industrial 5G scales when several enablers are stacked together: private or campus networks, standalone 5G, edge and cloud-native infrastructure, security, test beds, integration capacity, and skilled teams. The decisive question is whether companies can turn connectivity into reliable, secure, and measurable operational value. Deliverable D5.1 also highlights that enterprise-led adoption depends heavily on assurance, integration capacity, and skilled integrators rather than infrastructure alone. Thank you for watching this second 5G Digits video on the regional landscape of industrial 5G and beyond 5G in Europe. To continue exploring the project, visit the 5G-DIGITS website and the Knowledge Platform, where public results, resources, and learning materials are shared with the wider community. Follow the next video in this series, where we look at expert validation and what practitioners confirm about the future of industrial 5G.